Electrogenics Innovations Private Limited, and I am the founder and director of the company. Today I am presenting the Breathe. The product is designed by us. Uh, this is the simple. The back side we have given the adapter connection, oxygen port, alarm volume port, and the on-off switch. To turn on the machine, just simple press this button. For circuit connection, first of all we have to place this humidifier chamber to the humidifier. Then we have to connect that salt inspiratory tube to the machine inspiratory port to humidifier chamber. Second inspiratory tube is connected to humidifier chamber and the circuit expiratory link goes to machine expiratory. Here we have two connections for the humidifier. One is a heated wire adapter and the temperature probe. It's connected to the humidifier. This is how circuit connection for device. Now this device has inbuilt battery backup and inbuilt air supply, so you don't need to connect any kind of air source to this device. This device has 4 different modes: nasal CPAP, bubble CPAP, high flow nasal cannula therapy, and auto resuscitation mode. So we go with one by one modes. First of all, we started with the nasal CPAP mode. So for starting the nasal CPAP, just click on the nasal CPAP mode button and the mode will activate. Now set the flow, required flow from these two flow meters, air flow meter and oxygen. As per required, you have to set the flow and FiO2 accordingly, the FiO2 chart. Then you have to set the PEEP from this PEEP knob. So currently I have set 5 of PEEP. So it's delivered the 5 of PEEP and the real time pressure was showing on the screen and this pressure bar. You can also set the alarm limit. To set the alarm limit, simple click on this alarm button and set the low pressure and high pressure limit accordingly to required. For the stop the therapy, you have to click this back button and stop. So you have to stop this nasal CPAP mode. The second mode is bubble CPAP. For bubble CPAP, you have to connect expiratory link to the bubble CPAP generator. This one. You have to put the water as per the bubble generator and the set required flow from here till P. No. Now for bubble CPAP, just start the bubble CPAP. As earlier, you have to set the P flow from here. Air and oxygen flow from these two flow meters and the required flow will be delivered to the screen. And again the real time pressure is showing on the screen. Again for stop, just click on the stop button and confirm. For third mode is HFNC. So HFNC mode, you don't have to connect any expiratory link to the machine or any other part. You just simply connect HFNC cannula to the circuit to the inspiratory limb and just start the HFNC mode and set the required flow accordingly to FiO2. It's give the continuously flow to the patient. For stop, just click on this stop button, confirm. And the last and fourth mode is the auto resuscitation mode. For auto mode, you have to connect expiratory limb to the machine and click on the auto mode. Now you have to set 2 parameters mainly. One is a TI and TE. For TI and TE, accordingly that RR and I ratio will be calculated. Now for setting of PEEP, just click on the PEEP and set from this PEEP node, required PEEP. Again for PIP, I click on PIP and required PIP set from this PIP node. After confirming, press OK and just start the mode. So it delivers the whatever the required parameter you have to set. The pressure and PIP will deliver to the patient as per you have to set. Again, anytime you have to change the setting, just click on this setting button, and again if you want to change the data, change, and again you have to start. Or you have to stop the therapy, simple, press on the stop, yes. This is simple for brightness controlling, to control the brightness. Real-time pressure on means battery indication is showing on the center of the screen. This is the FI2 calculator inbuilt. So if you have to calculate the FI2 flow, so you have to set the parameter and press to find the flow for FI2 particular, and then back. Okay, thank you.